Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leave groups silently on WhatsApp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to leave your group silently on WhatsApp, go to the setting option. Scroll down and tap on apps and then app management. Scroll all the way down and click on WhatsApp. Tap on Manage Notification, slide and turn off the message notification. Now, open the WhatsApp application, open the group message and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Mute Notifications. Other participants will not see that you have muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. Select Always option and click on OK. Again, tap on three dots, click on More and select Exit Group option. Exit group message will pop up on the screen. Click on Exit. This is how you can leave your group silently on WhatsApp. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.